All right, welcome back. Today we're going to go ahead. We've got our frame finished up. We're going to start today. We're going to go ahead and install the plunger tube. And we're going to use the Brownell's 1911 plunger staking tool. And we're going to go ahead and show you how to use that. And we'll bring you in a little closer so you can see how this thing works. Okay, so let's show you what all comes with this. This is the tool itself that does the staking. Right down here at the bottom is a small spike that's going to do the job for you. With the rod to crank down on it with, there is a pin that comes with this. This will insert into your tube. This is there to keep your tube from being crushed while you're trying to stake it. And then we've got this little block here with a notch out of it. This will rest on there so it'll spread out the load. And remember, if you're doing this, you've got a small hole and a large hole. This will go all the way through and stop. The small hole is on the front of the handgun. This one's a tight fit, so we want to make sure that we're all the way seated. All right. Well, we look like we're all the way seated now. And on the inside here, we'll start staking at the front. And we will make sure that that lines up inside of our hole. And once we've got everything in there and lined up, I want to go ahead and tighten this down. It doesn't have to go real far. And once you've got the first side done, back that off and we'll get lined up with the back one. Okay, so our plunger tube is staked in place, and at this point it shouldn't go anywhere. All right, so that's the Brownell's 1911 plunger staking tool. Works great. Bought mine originally to replace a damaged plunger tube. And we'll get back with you real soon to show you as we get further along on this build. And so stick around. Go ahead, hit the like button. And if you want to see more, hit the subscribe button and you'll be the first to know. We'll see you next time.